Hi, beautiful lights. This is your timeline jump confirmation. So don't scroll. Wait a second. Get this confirmation first. Yeah, look at this. You have entered a new timeline, a new reality here, baby. This is the King of Pentacles and it's going to be abundant. Look at this gold. Everything you touch will turn to gold. This is your confirmation of abundance and stability oh man, you guys, just a cycle of everything that you touch will turn to gold. This is you with a strong foundation, really being strong and hurtling through all these cycles. This is your sign, your confirmation that you are jumping into a much more needed abundant cycle, and it's gonna everything you touch will turn to gold, collective. I love you, beautiful lights. Yes, I'm excited for you. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.